Hi everyone, welcome to Learndemic.com, a free and easy e-learning management system, a social learning platform for teachers and students. In this video, I will show you some of the features of Learndemic for teachers. First, we must log in. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here, you will see a simple statistics of the lessons you've created, quizzes, assignments, and units. Also, the badges and certificates awarded. You can monitor the messages from your students, from your group of students, and from anyone in the website. You can also send messages to a group or groups, friend or couple of friends, instructor, administrators, and your course students. Also, you can do or make a to-do list, an announcement to all the students, to the students who are pursuing the course, and students who finish the course. You can also monitor your students' notes and discussions about your lesson, your students' activity, and the group's activity. And also, you can see the recent certificates awarded. On the left side, you will be able to browse the course and your instructing courses or lesson. The activity, it works like a timeline in other social media platform. Your profile, you can add some more details about who you are as a teacher. You can check your notifications, your new messages, friends. You can add friends, you can create groups, and send a request to join a group. Forums, you can create your own forums and like and comment other forums. Commissions. This is just an additional feature of the website, giving an opportunity for teachers to gain something from their effort for the lessons created. As a teacher, you have an option to create a lesson and share it for free or sell it online. Budget drive, you can upload and share files to your students' groups, but you only have a limited storage. So I would suggest if you can link the file from another storage like Google Drive, if you do have a Google Drive, but we're hoping to give you more storage in the future. My orders. Here, you can see the lessons you purchased or bought from other instructors or teachers, and then create course. At the top menu, we have there the activities, including the teachers, students, and your own activities. All the notes and discussions, the events, blog, members, and group, courses, create courses, and your dashboard. And are just some of the features of Learndemic.com. So what are you waiting for? So teachers, bring your lessons online and start creating your lesson. There is a saying, online learning is rapidly becoming one of the most cost-effective ways to educate the world's rapidly expanding workplace. That is according to Jack Messman. And another quote is, you can teach people everything they need to know. The best you can do is position them where they can find what they need to know when they need to know it. That is according to Seymour Papert. And that's all for now. Please subscribe for more video tutorial.